on vacation. Girls, I'm here. I'll go first.
Let's go.
Let's see what kind of plane we have. Cardboard? Oh, no.
Oh.
I know how to fix it.
Oh my God. Yeah! Yes!
Hooray, we're flying on a rainbow airplane. Yay! Here are your tickets. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, guys, I think this is the place.
Yes.
You need to pass through the scanner.
No problem at all. Easy.
Now it's my turn.
Go.
You got the cardboard plane.
What?
Cardboard? Well, okay. Let's go, guys.
Bye.
Hi.
Welcome on. It's Huntrix. I'm your fan.
Thank you. Here are our tickets.
Great. But you need to change into your rainbow outfits. Crafty Lou, can you help them?
Of course. A little magic, and voila! All done.
Wow, our look is so cool.
Yeah, we're absolutely gorgeous.
What about me? I have a rainbow ticket too.
That's true. Then come with me. Look, I have a secret package.
Wow, I wonder what's inside.
Let's open it. Wow, there are even 4 rainbow packages. Which one do we open? Let's start with number 1. Ooh, it's a rainbow swimsuit. Wow. It fits perfectly. Now, what do we have in the second one? A silicone pattern and thread with a needle. Then I'll start sewing. Now I'm joining them. We've got shorts. Woohoo! Decorate them with rainbow tulle and add a bright felt and beads.
Wow.
I like it.
Me too.
Let's see what's in the third package. Wow, what a gorgeous coat.
But I was told it needs to be rainbow.
That's why I brought some colorful markers. Now we'll color it. Let's start with red and add other colors. Wow, it's become rainbow. So soft. It looks great on you. There's one last package left. And here we have shoes. A perfect finishing touch.
Cool.
Rumi, you look so cool.
Thanks.
And just in the style of a rainbow plane.
I'm thrilled. Time to go back to the girls. Girls, what do you think of my outfit? Awesome.
You look great.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, it's Huntrix. We love you so much. Sing us your hit.
Please.
So girls, are we gonna sing? Of course we are.
Here are the microphones.
Thanks.
All right, everyone, move along.
Bye.
It's time for takeoff. Take your seats.
Okay.
Rumi, look!
Huh?
There's a second plane. It's cardboard.
So, where are our seats? OMG, it's Saja Boys. I'm your fan. So can we get through or not? No, entry is only allowed in cardboard outfit.
Huh?
But we don't have a cardboard clothes. Move aside. And here's everything for you to change your images. I call first. I'm ready. Let's go.
Whoa!
Then let's get started. Look at the stuff we have here. Whoa, where do we start? Let craft paper come first. And draw the suit pattern. Cut all this out. We got 3 pieces.
Wow.
Take a thin ribbon, put glue on it, and use it to join the pant legs. Cut off the excess. Let's try it on Genu. Okay, wear a cardboard one instead. Glue it on the sides, and also add a collar. Genu, pick a marker. I want pink.
Okay.
Let's add some color to your suit. I start with the collar, move on to the sleeves, and paint the whole shirt pink. Make these blue seams on the pants. So, how do you like Genu's new look? Huh?
Wow!
Everything's ready. It's time to go back to the others.
Woohoo!
Here I am. Wow, you look awesome. Yeah, cool suit. Thanks, guys. You too. Let's sing for our fans.
Yes! Yeah.
Yo!
Right on the headline show. Step in the room, they already know. Swagger like a comet, burning the flow. Can't stop me, no, can't stop me, no. Yeah. Every step a spark in the night. Every word a fire that ignites. Look up, the stars align.
Yay.
You guys are great. Can we get an autograph?
Please.
Can we take a picture with you?
Huh? Of course. Crafty Lou, can you take a picture of us? No problem. Get together. Say cheese. Done. Okay, everyone, move along.
Aww.
You're tiring them out.
Can I take a picture with you?
Please, on my phone. Taking a selfie. One more. Great.
Oh, I'm so tired. forgot to hand out the sleep kits. Oh, they were around here somewhere. Got them. Oh, but these are just pom-poms. Crafty Lou, can you help?
I'll take care of everything. Take one pom-pom, apply hot glue to it, and stick another one onto it. Hot glue together about 10 to 12 pom-poms like this. Then apply hot glue on top again and attach a wire. And stick another identical pom-pom piece to that. Bend it into a semicircle and trim it a bit. Next, I'll need chenille wire. I have plenty of it over here. Take 3 pieces of different colors, twist them at the end, and braid. Make a lot more of these braids. Apply hot glue and join the braids one after another. We've got this kind of fabric. Trim the edges to make it look neat, and the blanket is ready.
Wow.
Rumi, here's a travel neck pillow. You'll be more comfortable with it.
Thank you.
So nice.
Mira, it's time to sleep. Here's a sleep mask for you.
Okay.
Where's Zoe? Oh, there she is. Zoe, wake up! You can't sleep like this on the floor.
Hey.
Oh, she can't hear me. Okay, then I'll put a pillow and cover her with a blanket. At your service, what would you like? What kind of entertainment do you have here?
We have a candy bar.
No, we aren't hungry.
Then maybe you'd like the ballet.
Hello.
Bravo!
Wow!
But still boring.
Bye.
How about the pool?
Huh?
Look at this water.
Oh.
Not feeling it.
Maybe PlayStation will cheer you up? Cool, yeah. We want it. Crafty Lou, can you help? Of course. So what's in the box? All of this will come in handy. Trace a phone onto the cardboard. Use a ruler and pencil to mark and cut out these pieces. Cut out the center, leaving just a frame on all the blanks except one. Apply white glue to the sides and cover them with craft paper. Marker time! Go over the lines in black. Decorate the case with waves, stars. Place the phone inside. The TV is ready. Add the console and the gamepad. So, done. Here you go.
Thank you.
All right, guys, here are your gamepads. I want it.
Let's go!
Wow, PlayStation! Woohoo! Yeah, cool! I'm gonna beat ya. Just try. Phew, finally they're happy.
Hey, girls, wake up! It's breakfast time. Oh, they're not waking up. Aw. Get up! What? Time to get up. It's morning already. Girls, wake up!
I slept so sweetly.
What a wonderful day. Huh? It's noodles. Stop. No noodles right now. First, yoga. Crafty Lou, I brought some clay. Will you help?
Huh? Wow, so many colors. I'll start with yellow. Take some air clay and roll it to form this piece. Then take pink, dark blue, red, and light blue. Twist them to shape a rope and roll it out well. You can divide it into 2 parts to make the piece whiter. When the clay sheet is ready, place the bodysuit pattern on it and cut it out and give it to Rumi.
Thanks.
It fits perfectly. Add some sparkle with clear glitter nail polish. Wow, now I'm definitely ready for yoga. Zoe and I are ready too. Look.
Wow. Rumi, are we really ready?
Yes.
Girls, I made the mats for you.
They're so colorful.
I want to go first. Awesome. Rumi, step here.
Watch, only I can do it like this.
Yeah.
Wow, how did you do that?
You'll definitely be able to do it too.
Oh, okay.
Stretch your leg. And voila.
Woohoo!
Piece of cake.
Yay!
I'm not tired at all.
Zoe fell asleep. Zoe, wake up.
Huh? What?
Are you napping?
Huh?
Of course not. It's just your imagination.
Yeah, exactly.
Huh?
Derpy? Oh no, my lunch! I'll save you! Whoa, that's some incredible flexibility. Bravo, Rumi!
Noodles.
Food. Huh?
What's that laughter?
Huh?
Girls, you are so funny.
Hey!
What's so funny?
Ah! Oh, what's going on?
Oh my god.
Hang on, Zoe!
We've hit a turbulence zone. Ginu, who's our pilot?
I don't know. Let's go check.
What? Bobby?
Don't worry. Everything's under control.
Oh my god.
We landed.
Let's go. Hey, wait for me.
Woohoo! Awesome!
Yeah. Great. Hey, looks like you forgot me.
This place is so cool. Chill.
So, are you all rested up? It's time for the concert. Why are you still sitting?
Hey!
Bobby, what concert? We don't even have mics.
Hey, Crafty Lou, can you help us out?
Then I'll take this. Let's make these tubes bigger. Take the kraft and rainbow sheets. Spread glue on the tubes and wrap them with paper. Cut off the excess. It turned out great. Next, draw 4 circles on the cardboard and quickly cut them out. Hot glue 2 of them together and stick the rainbow paper on top. Trim it to get a wider circle. Make cuts and cover the sides.
Wow.
Glue a tube in the center of each circle. We got microphone stands. Glue smaller tubes vertically and slightly tilted to the top. And add beads to form microphones. Decorate the bottom of the rainbow stand with rhinestones and color the cardboard stand with markers. The mics for Huntrix and Saja Boys are ready.
Wow.
Time to start the concert.
Thanks.
Bravo! That was an amazing performance. Give a like and comment whose flight you liked better. Bye-bye.